Welcome back to An Architect's Tale, fellow architecture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an extraordinary architectural masterpiece from Australia, the Brahminy House by HGA.Studio. This remarkable dwelling not only captures the stunning beauty of Byron Bay's coastal landscape but also exemplifies the perfect balance between strength and lightness, much like the Brahminy kites that inspired its design. Architectural analysis. 1. Concept and inspiration. The Brahminy House draws its inspiration from two Brahminy kites that nested at Byron Bay's Wategos Beach, representing a profound interpretation of balance between strength and lightness. Project architect Tyler Gwither explains that, like the birds, the house is anchored yet elevated, protective yet open, embracing its coastal setting with a sense of quiet presence. 2. Site and context response. The house sits above Wategos Beach, next to the lighthouse, acting as a portal for both the ocean to the north and the native heath behind. This strategic positioning demonstrates a profound understanding of the site's unique characteristics. Immersed in the nature reserve surrounding the iconic Byron Bay lighthouse, the house becomes part of the natural landscape. 3. Materials and color palette. A palette of spotted gum hardwood and terracotta tones envelop occupants in the coastal environment. Each material selection serves a specific purpose. Spotted gum is a durable hardwood that will weather beautifully, while terracotta is breathable and low maintenance. Every material has been chosen to withstand the coastal conditions, humidity, and salt air. 4. Climate-responsive design. Passive design maximizing cross-ventilation, concrete for thermal mass, and native landscaping to minimize water use are key sustainability features. The architect explains, "We love how the floor plates are kept shallow, creating a cozy, well-proportioned space. No space is overly big. This also helps with cross-ventilation, keeping the living areas cool and airy." 5. Indoor-outdoor relationship. The house is a careful play of openness and enclosure. Solid walls provide protection, while framed openings capture views. The kitchen opens out to the foliage-filled sculptural pool area, while the sleek living room connects to the ocean views, creating seamless transitions between spaces. 6. Aesthetics and atmosphere. A sanctuary of tropical brutalism, the warm aesthetics use raw materiality to create a dark and moody tonal palette that absorbs light and reduces glare. A sculptural centerpiece fireplace suspended from the ceiling creates a warm focal point and allows for year-round comfort during winter months. If you enjoyed this deep dive into architectural excellence, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to An Architect's Tale to support our journey of exploring extraordinary architecture from around the world. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore another remarkable architectural masterpiece. Thank you for watching, and remember, great architecture has the power to inspire and transform lives.